Thanks.
And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys and doing like 70 damage.
That's funny. Oh yeah, last night. Okay. Oh yeah, last night I kept facing the same deck. Oh yeah, last night I kept facing the same deck. Hey buddy. Oh yeah, last night I kept...
If we can get you up there, you could get in and open this door. Quick, in here.
La Pantrusta! Hold it right there, inmates.
Você fica sem vida.
Ow. Uh-oh. Never! So, you say all inmate is out of cell? Yeah, some idiot must
Hey,
have opened
I
all
just
the
grabbed
doors.
these. Maybe they'll come in handy?
Are we waiting for someone, or...? I thought you press. We'll regroup with, third floor, and we'll help them clear out maximum security. What do you think? Duh, I like. Who get the guards?
Adora jogos de tiro com visão sim.
Hold the elevator? Thanks. Can you believe this inmate outbreak? Crazy, huh?
Yes, it is pretty crazy. Oh, are you guys new here?
Oh yeah, we transferred from the 8th floor.
From the cafeteria? Nice try, inmates. We'll regroup with, There is convict here! Get down on ground. Back to your cell, inmate. Boing.
You win. Perfect.
What, you think that will upset me? Oh, very much so.
Thanks, I guess. Now let's get out of here.
Alright, yeah, we good. Who's driving? Well, if it isn't Henry. There has not been an incident here in 50 years, and the day you show up this happens. You are going to regret everything.